Hello everyone, my name is Jiafei and I'll be presenting on this paper, ActioNet, an interactive end-to-end platform for task-based data collection and augmentation in 3D environment. This paper was accepted to this year's ICIP 2020, and the motivation behind ActioNet is that we believed with recent advancement in deep learning, reinforcement learning, and robotics, most robots does have the capability to perform basic household tasks, but are simply lacking the ability to generalize task planning. Hence, we feel that there is a need for such a multi-modality task-based dataset and a pipeline to automate the collection of such a dataset. As a result, we propose ActioNet, an interactive end-to-end platform for task-based data collection and augmentation in 3D environment. We have also collected the largest scale task-based dataset with over 3,000 hierarchical task structure data and annotated video datasets of 65 individual household tasks, which was further upscaled to another 150,000 video dataset through our data augmentation unit. So here are just some of the related works that has been done in this area. We have the virtual home activity dataset and the BI chef dataset. So for ActioNet end-to-end platform, it starts off with a list of task goals or description before collecting the task-based dataset through our graphic user interface, which will generate the task-based dataset in two parts. One being the annotated video dataset. Next we have is the hierarchical task structure data. And the hierarchical task structure data will be further augmented using our data augmentation unit to generate more annotated video datasets. So here are the structure of the two parts of the task-based dataset. The annotated video dataset comes in RGB, depth of frame, instance segmentation, and class segmentation, whereas the hierarchical task structure data comes in three tiers. The highest tier being the end goal, which is the task that you want to achieve, followed by the second tier, which is the task description to achieve the task in natural language. And lastly, we have the third tier, which is the atomic action or the robotic action that's required to take place in the simulator to actually fulfill the execution of such a task. And here is the breakdown of the task-based dataset that we have collected. We've collected over 3,038 annotated and hierarchical task structure data across 120 scenes from AI tutor simulator. And for each of the task instance, we have managed to actually augment it through our augmentation unit to generate a 50 times upscale, giving another 150,000 video datasets. And putting that into benchmark with the previous related work that's been done, as you can see, the ActioNet is one of the largest scale task-based dataset with real-world physics interaction and given the ability for user to actually further upscale through our graphic user interface and interact in the process of data collection. Here are just some of the future research direction that we hope to go into with ActioNet. And in conclusion, we proposed ActioNet as an interactive end-to-end platform to actually collect task-based dataset and further augment it using our graphic user interface and the augmentation unit, which you can find more in our paper. And we have also come up with the largest scale task-based dataset in 3D environment with over 3,000 hierarchical task structure data and a 50 times upscale to generate another 150,000 video dataset for 65 individual tasks. So with that, I've come to the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.